Hi, Charlie Roadman here, Austin criminal defense attorney, and today I want to answer a question I get 2 to 3 times a week, which is, will my pending criminal case show up on a background check? Now, pending means the case is ongoing, you've not been convicted. Okay, it is best to assume a pending case will show up on a background check, and that's because any arrest is public record immediately. The case can be found by anyone that is sophisticated enough to look at a court's docket. But the answer to the question is you never really know if a background check will find a pending case. And the reason is that there are lots of different types of background checks. And that's because they're done by hundreds of different types of companies. So whatever HR hires, okay, that company will have their own policy. HR may have their own policy on what type of information they want to get from them. And most of these background check companies will only have easy access to convictions. Okay, now to find a pending case, they have to go specifically to a jurisdiction and look at these specific dockets and find it. So it's hard for them to find pending cases, but not impossible. Now, most government agencies are sophisticated enough to find pending cases immediately. For example, public schools, public hospitals. Now, is a company allowed to hold a pending case against you? Unfortunately, yes. Okay, you don't have a constitutional right to not be judged on a pending case. Okay, so if the company decides they don't want to hire you, they're allowed to not hire you. It's important to know some companies, they need employees so bad that they'll overlook pending cases. It also is going to depend on the type of case you have and the type of job you're looking for. Okay, so if you have a DWI and you're looking for a driving job, they're less likely to overlook that. Here's my advice. Number one, assume that the pending case will show up on a background check. But what that means is, 2, apply to 3 times as many companies as you would normally apply to, okay? Because one of those companies isn't going to care. 3, consider telling a company that you're interviewing with that you have a pending case. You'll be surprised at how sympathetic some people are. And 4, don't stop looking for a job because of the pending case. Okay, I have a lot of clients that, they basically say, I can't do anything until the case is over. Well, the case may take a year. So that's a bad strategy. Look for a job, apply to 3 times as many companies, and basically you just have to cross your fingers that it doesn't show up on the background check or that the company just doesn't care. I hope that helps.